Hi guys, thanks for joining us on this unboxing day. This time we will be showing you the packaging, ingredients, and benefits of our beloved Brazilian Detox Clay Body Wraps. Okay, so this is the box you will be receiving. As you know, the packaging and presentation is very important to us because that is part of the customer's experience. So this is the front of the box. It says Brazilian Detox Clay Body Wraps. 100% natural ingredients and made from original clay. This is the new and improved version. It's pre-mixed and easy to apply, no drips and no mess, perfect for all skin types, and earth-friendly and made with love. Okay, let's see the back of it. In the back, as you can see, there is a pretty floral background, instructions, ingredients, and the company information is on the right side. As you can see, it's a very nice packaging. Okay, so let's open it right now. Okay, so the first thing you will see is this stop sign card that says watch this video before your first use. And you can go there to get additional information, instructions, and some cool stuff for free that we are giving, okay? Let's see what we have here. So this is the pre-mixed clay. The old version of this product came with the clay in separated bags and you had to apply water, so it tends to get a little bit messy. But this leaves that on the past, okay? This is pre-mixed in a nice bottle, and here is also the thermoplastic wrap. With the thermoplastic wrap, it will help the clay heats and works faster. This is made with 100% natural ingredients. This amazing detox clay uses bentonite clay to eliminate toxins and remove impurities. This will help you reduce water retention, reduce the appearance of cellulite and stretch marks, and also fights bloating. Plus, it also promotes a firmer and smoother skin. Well, this was the unboxing for the Brazilian Detox Clay Body Wraps. I will leave the link to buy this amazing home spa treatment on the description box below. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. Let us know what you think on the comments. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channels for more videos. See you the next one.